Hey Adam, good morning. This is Hector over at the Rossi Auto Group. In anticipation for your appointment coming up, I just wanted to do a quick little walk around video of the vehicle you're going to come look at. This is the Equinox all-wheel drive Premier. Just want to do a quick little walk around here. It's a beautiful vehicle. She's ready to go for you here. We expect to see you here pretty soon. So we'd love to answer any questions that you may have from now until then. This car has leather. It's very clean from within. There we go. Right, wireless charger, plethora of amenities. Right, it looks like the back seat was never sat in. Super clean vehicle. We'll open up the back for you real quick. It's got the auto lift gate. Loads of space. So Adam, I look forward to seeing you and your wife here for your appointment. Let me know if you have any additional questions. 908-320-4464. Again, it's Hector Rossi. Talk to you soon.